of control statements like switch, if else, and for loops. And we are also using the concept of array of objects and packages and classes as well. So in this we have created two classes for hostel details, that is hostel, in which we have these attributes, and we have another one for hostel details, which is inventory, which has these attributes. And for student getting student details, we have three more classes. So first one is for getting student personal details, and then we have room details of the student, and then we have fees collection. So in this we also calculate the fees of the but each student, and then we implement each of these classes. We import each of these packages and the classes in this test class, and then we perform add details and update details and display details for each hostel and as well as student. So now we'll show you the output of this program.
So looking at the output, so as you can see here, we are getting some options here. First one is to add details, second is to update details, third is to display details, and fourth is to exit. So here I am pressing 1 to add details, and again there are two options to add. It can be hostel details or student details. So I'm again pressing 1 for hostel details. Again it is asking hostel name, student count, and room count. So I'm mentioning the hostel name, student count, and room count, as well as the number of beds, desks, sports goods, and damages. So again, if we want to add any details, we can add like student details. So here I'm mentioning some name, register number, and phone number. Likewise, some room number, room type, and hostel name, and also mess name. So if you now we are going to see whether it's displaying or not. So for that I have pressed 3 here. So 3 is for display. Now to display hostel details, I am pressing 1. So here you can see it's asking the name of the hostel. So it will search in the registry that whether the name is present or not, and all the informations regarding the name will be shown in the output. So when I type Hepzibah, all the details, all the informations are shown in the output, as you can see here. And again, when I want to display student details, it's asking the register number of the student. So in this management system, we can store as many as students as we want, because we are using array of objects. So when I choose any register number, all the informations related to that register number will be displayed in the output. So as you can see here, it's all displaying. So I already mentioned the register number UR15CS177. So all the information regarding that register number is shown in the output. So likewise, if you want to update some details in the hostel details or student details, you can update it with the option number 2. So when I go to update details, here it's asking some choice in the hostel details, like to update the number of bed, desks, sports goods, damaged goods, and student count. So here I'm updating a student count to 200, and again I'm updating the student details. So for that, again it's asking the register number, and regarding the register number we can update any information. So like I'm updating here the mess name, as it was earlier it was north, and now I'm updating it to south. So again you can display and you can see all the changes that we have made in the information. So you can see here 200 has been done for the student count, it has been changed, as well as for the mess you can see here south, it's working perfectly fine. So like this you can make a hostel management system. Thank you for watching our video.